One secret for YouTube is that it doesn't optimize for creators, it optimizes for viewers. This means that if your content keeps people watching, you rank higher. If they leave within the first 30 seconds, YouTube understands your video delivers little value to the users. YouTube SEO to boost visibility in 2025 across Google and social media. Did you ever think about why so many businesses are now focusing on creating content for social media, especially for YouTube? Why has modern day marketing included a multi-channel approach for visibility, and how does a YouTube strategy shape your business in 2025? Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to our channel Softtrix, where in this video I'll talk about why it is important for businesses to maintain a presence on YouTube and why doing YouTube SEO boosts your visibility across various platforms. I'll also provide useful insights on how to optimize your videos and how to use YouTube to drive traffic beyond the platform. So stay till the end of this video. Back in the days, marketing used to be simple. A website, some ads, maybe a blog and a few backlinks would almost guarantee higher rankings. But today it's multi-channel by design. Your audience is never on single platform. They hop from Google to Instagram to TikTok and YouTube. The winners are businesses that meet people everywhere with content tailored for each touch point. And understand, YouTube isn't just another social media platform. It is the second biggest search engine after Google, which means ranking here doesn't just grow your channel, it provides you with an audience across the entire web. A well-optimized video with great content thrives not only on YouTube but also on Google via video carousels and SERP features. And now, why is YouTube important? Because a user spends roughly 27 hours a month on YouTube. This is only behind TikTok's 33 hours per month. And understand that TikTok doesn't get you Google visibility. YouTube does. It is also one of the highest engaging social media platforms in terms of time spent. On average, users spend around 23 minutes per visit on YouTube, which is very much optimizable if you make highly engaging videos for YouTube. The question arises, what would you say to your ideal customer if you have them for around 20 minutes? You can deliver an exceptional pitch for your service, or you can teach them a great way to make a product, or maybe you can just introduce your business to someone who doesn't know about it. All I'm saying is it is full of opportunity, and all you need to do is to create a high quality, well informed and easy to understand video about the service or keywords you are targeting. Here is an example of perfect optimization of this strategy. When you search how to knit on Google, you get this result. Do you notice anything unusual here? No? Look closely. 2 of the top 3 search results are by Sheep and Stitch. Moreover, this channel has featured video in the People Also Ask section. Now, think about how this channel reached the top and how many more people this channel would attract because of these rankings. That's the power of YouTube and how it optimizes. What powers visibility on YouTube? We know to rank on a search engine, doing search engine optimization is necessary. Similarly, to rank your business on YouTube, YouTube SEO is a must. Keywords, titles, and thumbnails are the lifeline of your content here. They decide whether your video surfaces when someone searches for the best skincare routine or accounting software demo. You can use tools like Vidic, TubeBuddy, or Google Trends here to identify relevant phrases to your niche. Understand that titles are supposed to be promising as well as interesting. This assists your video to be ranked high on search results and also promotes more clicks through to your video, generating organic traffic to your video. Optimization doesn't stop at keywords. Think about bigger signals. YouTube looks at captions, tags, playlists, even your channel branding. All these tell the algorithm you are serious and credible, which in turn helps your videos perform much better. For tags, when someone searches for best CRM software, YouTube also checks related tags like sales pipeline tools or customer management apps. Smart tags help you capture those related searches too. Captions are vital because almost 69% of users watch videos without sound in public places. Captions not only help them watch your videos but also feed YouTube more context for your content. Your YouTube channel must act like a storefront with a great banner, logo, and about us section. If any of these look unfinished, customers bounce. Whereas a polished channel signals authority to both viewers and the algorithm. Watch time is equal to business growth. One secret for YouTube is that it doesn't optimize for creators, it optimizes for viewers. This means that if your content keeps people watching, you rank higher. If they leave within the first 30 seconds, YouTube understands your video delivers little value to the users, in turn pushing your video down the ranks. Understand that longer watch times mean your video shows up more, which means more brand touch points, trust, and conversions. This isn't about chasing views, it's about creating a cycle of visibility that drives engagement, retention, and business growth. Develop great intros, interesting narratives, and where necessary, entice people with previews to maintain interest. You can also organize your videos in a series or playlist to promote binge watching. After all, high watch time not only increases your reach but also enhances monetization. YouTube in the multi-channel web. One video can fuel your entire marketing machine. Transcripts become blog posts, clips turn into Instagram reels. YouTube isn't a silo. Don't stop with just one video. Spin it and cover more insights around your topic. Use it in your blog or embed the video in your emails and add video to your subject lines to boost email open rates by 10 to 20%. Drop links with UTMs in your description to understand the metrics. Track views, retention, brand search lift, and understand whether the video is delivering awareness or conversions. The 2025 playbook. Businesses that thrive in 2025 don't gamble on a single medium. They diversify their marketing options. A YouTube video is supposed to be the centerpiece of your content strategy ecosystem that multiplies reach. Use it as such. The smartest marketers know the goal isn't just to go viral. Viral fades. What lasts is being found when it matters, trusted when it counts, and remembered long after the click. That's why modern marketing feels multi-channel, because your customers don't live in one place. They might Google you on Monday, see your video on YouTube on Wednesday, and click your Instagram reel on Friday. YouTube ties those touch points together. It isn't optional anymore. It's your front door to visibility, credibility, and growth in 2025. Now, the only question left is, will you step through it before your competitors do? That's all from our side. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll definitely see you in the next one. Thank you.